Hello everyone, so this is Mami Grass and I'm back with another unboxing video of a package from Young Living. So this package is actually for my son who just finished his grade 2 in homeschooling and has passed his requirements with flying colors. So he is now ready to be enrolled in grade 3. Okay, so this gift is something that I bought for him using my credits from Young Living. So I didn't spend any centavo for this. The thing is, when you're doing business with Young Living and enrolled to Essential Rewards, you get freebies, credits to your account that you can use to purchase items from Young Living. So that's how great doing the business with Young Living is. So today, let's unbox this gift for my son, and I'm really excited. He's actually excited to open this, but I said let's unbox this first because I want others who would be interested to learn about Young Living see some of the stuff that we do enjoy, or some of the perks that we do enjoy in Young Living, especially in Young Living Philippines. Okay, so I'm currently in Philippines. So for those out there who have subscribed, thank you so much. Since the unboxing of the Via Travel Diffuser, I have had about 30 additional subscribers. So thank you so much for subscribing, and I'm sorry for those who could not afford, or rather who could not get the Via Diffuser in their country. Maybe you'd want to contact Young Living USA to request that Via Travel Diffuser be made available in your country. But in case there's an update from Young Living Philippines and Young Living US, I will update my video about Via Travel Diffuser. So let's find out what's inside my son's gift from Young Living. Okay, through that. Right. So this is one of the perks of being a member of Young Living Philippines, is because the Young Living Philippines office offer stuff that are not available in some countries, even in US. So this is one of those items that can only be bought at Young Living Philippines. Okay, so this one is actually a plushie. Here you go. Here, let's remove this from the box, and book. Shelly. Okay, so this is a book about Shelly. Okay, so Shelly is the turtle. Here, turtle plushie. And you'll see in a bit why Shelly is so special. Okay, so this is a book. I will have another video. I'll post another video about this book where Ian will read this to you in another video. Okay, so let's put that here. Put this down here. And then one of our favorite oils for sleep, which is, ta-da! Sleepy Eyes. Okay, I actually love this oil. Personally, this is one of those oils that I don't allow myself to run out of, because promise, when I diffuse this at nighttime with my kids using our owl diffuser, we just sleep better. You know, even with the anxieties, depression, sadness brought on by this pandemic, we are able to sleep through those really negative emotions using Sleepy Eyes. So it's something that I really don't allow myself or my family to run out of. So this is an awesome oil. I really recommend that you try this, especially when you have trouble sleeping. Okay, so let's put that box away. Okay, so let's talk about Shelly. Okay, so what I love about Shelly, because, well, this is a plushie. This is something that plushies, we have quite a collection of plushies before, although I had to give them away because, you know, there are kids that need them, and my kids have grown up already. But this one I like because you can actually put say a flat cotton inside this pouch of Shelly. So cute, right? You can put a cotton inside this pouch and add essential oil. Rather, you add the essential oil or drop the essential oil like Sleepy Eyes into a cotton pad and insert it into this pouch. And you can have this, you can put this beside your son or your child for them to experience the aromatherapeutic benefit of the essential oil. So you can probably use lavender, cedar wood, citrus oils, all those oils that are great for sleep. Now, what's the good thing also about this is you are not limited to using sleep oils. You can actually use essential oils by Young Living such as Kidsense Genius or peppermint and basil, for example, while they are studying. So yeah, so for example, if your child has trouble getting focus on his or her distance learning or school stuff, then you can just put this beside your child while he or she is studying with a pouch infused with cotton infused with mental focus oils such as Clarity, basil, peppermint, citrus oils. What else did I forget? Genius, which is one of our favorite study oils also. Those oils I mentioned are available in Young Living Philippines. Alright, so yeah, so Shelly is so cute and I can't wait to have my son, who is an incoming grade 3, yeah, read this book to you guys. So yeah, so watch out for this, for the next video where Ian will read the book to you. So yeah, so this is a nice pair because you can read the book to your child, or you can ask your child to read this book while hugging Shy Shelly, and you can even make a story out of it and do some theatric. Did I just pronounce that wrong? Okay, you can do some acting using the plushie and this book. So yeah, being a homeschooling mom, that's something that you can do also with your child, and I highly recommend that you do that also. Okay, for interaction and also for a playtime before hitting the sun. Okay, she's so adorable. Okay, and it's so soft. Okay, I can go all day just touching Shy Shelly. So yeah, so that's my gift for my son. I have just unboxed my gift for my son, and I think he's going to love it. So thank you for watching, guys, and I really love that. I am grateful for your support. We just hit more than 30 subscribers within the week. 5 days, within 5 days that I posted about the travel diffuser. I'm sorry that it's not available in your country, but I will update my description box for that video as soon as it's available in other countries. I will watch out for that for you guys. Okay, thank you for supporting this page or this channel, and thank you for watching all our videos, and we will post more homeschooling videos in the upcoming academic year. Okay, also. Alright, so bye from Shelly. Bye, Shelly. Okay, bye.